Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to render. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Rendering in Adobe Premiere Pro is the process of creating a final editable or exportable video file from your project. It can involve rendering previews so you can play back your project in real time or exporting your final video. Now, there are a couple of ways to do it. Number one option is, for example, I have two videos here. The first one is the lady running, and the second video is the the girl that is tearing. All right, so I'm render the first video by selecting that and then pressing enter. Now, if you can't find the render option, if you're entering nothing's happening, you might want to go to the sequence. All right, you see the render effects in to out is by pressing the enter. If you want to render selection, all right, for example this and then this one right here, you can do that as well. You also have an option for the render into out for this one right here. You see it's rendering it kind of like sluggish, and the rendering is right here. All right, let's wait for it to load. Takes a little while depending on your graphics video card. Takes a little while, so you want to make sure that you have an optimal GPU, especially during rendering. All right. And then, of course, there's this option that says the render audio as well if you want. So these are going to be some of your options for rendering. Now, the last option for this is going to be going to the sequence. You see, there is an option that says delete render files into out. If you do that, it would give you a pop-up dialog box like this. Are you sure to delete all render files associated with the in and to out? And this operation cannot be undone, so you want to make sure you do that. All right, so I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to. I'm just giving you some options. There is also an option to delete the render files, but again, it's gonna be like a permanent kind of option, so you don't want to do this. Right, I'm gonna make sure that you are happy with the rendering. And again, all I have to do is go to the sequence here, render selection. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.